A chamfer is a type of feature where an edge or corner is beveled. In Creo Parametric, there are two types of chamfers: corner chamfers and edge chamfers. To create an edge chamfer, click on Chamfer in the Engineering tools and select Edge Chamfer. Next, choose multiple edges by selecting the first edge, holding Ctrl and selecting the other edges you want to be chamfered. These four edge chamfers are in the same set, meaning that each of these chamfers will have the same dimensions. The default chamfer selected is d times d, which creates a chamfer at the distance from the edge along each surface. To change the distance, move either these white boxes or insert a specific value. Let's create another chamfer. Click New Set to add a new set of chamfers. This time we'll add material rather than remove it by choosing these edges. This set of chamfers will be a D1 by D2 type chamfer, which creates a chamfer at the distance D1 from the selected edge along one surface and a distance D2 from the selected edge along the other surface. Click OK to finish the feature. A corner chamfer removes material from the corner of a part, creating a beveled surface between the three original surfaces common to the corner. To create a corner chamfer, click on Chamfer in the Engineering tools and select Corner Chamfer. Next, select a vertex that will be the reference of the corner chamfer. Similar to the edge chamfer, to set the distance from the corner, either drag this white box or insert a specific value. Click OK to finish the feature.